Hello future tech leaders, I'm Sindhuja. Based on my own experience, I know that learning the right skills can shape our future. What if I say learning was as thrilled as the tech world itself? There we go. A cloud foundation, that's exactly what you will experience. From day one, you will be immersed in the interactive sessions and expert-led courses that covers most of the widely used technologies in the zone of data science to cloud computing, which brings more light to the life of a techie. I'm so excited to help you and unlock the true potential of a technology. Well, then why to wait? Let's see what it unfolds.
The first one is based on a property where the circumstance is a section. Section is circumstance depending upon the customer type property. And we have seen when the configured customer type was mentioned, you get the circumstance rule picked. Otherwise, you get the rule-based rule picked. Then we have seen multiple property-based circumstances, which is also called template-based circumstances. We have seen when it's a template-based, we have got two prerequisites. One, to create a template. Two, to create a definition. In the template, you will define what all properties are you going to handle or on what basis are you going to decide the circumstance. You just define the properties in it. Whereas in the definition, you prepare your conditions. Just like your decision rule, decision table, you define your conditions on the definition. And for one template, I can have multiple definitions. For a single template, I can have multiple definitions possible. And then once I get both of these, the template and the definition, the next step is to use them on the circumstances. Configure your circumstance, rule for the template and the definition. I think with circumstances and SLA depending upon some properties called location and journey base. Based upon the 2 days, two properties. Here we chose as circumstances of an SLA. And yes, we were able to do it. And then we have a circumstances based upon date, a property for date. You can choose a range of it. I can give a start date. I can give that rule to be picked. I think we took a correspondence as an example for this. We took this as a thing and we were able to see how after the given time the new rule is picked, whereas before that the base rule is picked. And it can also be arranged and you can give an exact end date also for your offers or campaign related stuff. And then we have also seen both date and property combination. That is also possible. You can give one property and one date, then you can circumstance your rule. Circumstances are all about handling special conditions. It's more like in this situation, what rule to be picked. I think that's about circumstances. And finally, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.